Hello and welcome to our Team Case video. We've chosen Sarah Ken Robinson's viral TED Talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity, as it touches on some interesting points pertaining to the topic. It posits an almost counterintuitive argument for the conditions needed to foster creativity.
Creativity is a dependent variable, which Robinson defined as a process of having original ideas that have value. Instead of a focus on innovation as done previously, we'll be exploring a different side to creativity, viewing it through the lens of imagination, originality, and self-expression. Robinson asserts that creativity is just as important as literacy, stating that we need to rethink the way we see intelligence. It's diverse, dynamic, and distinct. In his speech, he appeals to his audience to help build an educational system that supports rather than undermines creativity. Our explanatory variables are risk tolerance, which is concerned with being okay with the risk of getting things wrong. Indoctrination. Robinson argues that we're educated to become good workers rather than creative thinkers. And lastly, exposure to non-academic experiences or extracurricular activities.
Risk tolerance is positively linked to creativity because generating a peaceful atmosphere. Indoctrination has a negative impact on creativity because it's training our minds. Finally, being exposed to extracurricular activities makes you more creative because you become more open-minded. What about the context? In previsibility, the fact that we are educated by schools in a way that corresponds to today's challenges, but the world is moving, so we learn obsolete thinking patterns. Schools are no longer adapted to develop creativity because they were created to provide industrial and mechanic solutions, according to Ken Robinson.
The risk tolerance is a malleable variable because some people can be more or less afraid than others about being wrong. The higher your risk tolerance is for making errors, then the more chance you have to come up with something creative. The exposure to non-academic experiences is also a malleable variable. On one hand, you have people who love the idea of doing new things and trying out some new experiences. On the other, there are those who prefer to stick with familiar ideas and activities. According to our video, being open to new experiences should increase our creativity. For the last variable, the indoctrination, which refers to our education system that is based on forming good workers instead of good thinkers, it is a stable variable.